This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Kitty in Roblox. This popular game pits players against each other in a thrilling chase. You'll either take on the role of the fearsome kitty, hunting down your prey, or become a clever survivor, working with your team to escape. Each round offers unique challenges and requires quick thinking and teamwork to succeed. Get ready for an exciting adventure. As a survivor, your main goal is to escape the map. You'll need to locate and use several items, such as colored keys, planks, and other tools, to open doors or activate mechanisms. Teamwork is crucial. Communicate with up to 5 other players to share item locations and distract Kitty. Remember to stay stealthy and use hiding spots to avoid being caught by the feline hunter. When playing as Kitty, your mission is to prevent any survivor from escaping. You possess superior speed and the ability to place up to 3 traps strategically around the map. Focus on patrolling key areas where objectives are located, like doors or item spawns. Listen for sound cues from survivors and use your speed to quickly corner them. Catch all 6 survivors to win the round. To truly master Kitty, understanding both roles is key. Survivors should learn common Kitty patrol routes and trap placements. Kitty players can anticipate survivor movements by knowing where critical items typically spawn. Utilize environmental elements, like vents or hidden passages, for quick escapes or surprise attacks. Consistent practice in both roles will significantly improve your overall gameplay and lead to more victories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.